The Story of Early Man, Part 1. Today, we will be covering the topics early humans, their shelters and clothes, tools, and communication. Man, as we know and see today, have developed over a period of 4 to 5 million years. It was a series of slow changes. According to the evidences collected by the archaeologists, the man appeared on the earth long time ago. He was called Homid. Children, I would like to tell you who is an archaeologist. Scholars who study human history and prehistory through the digging of sites. From apes to man, the archaeologists have found earliest human remains in Africa, which shows that human life creature lived about 40,000 years ago. These people used to walk erect. Now, I would like to tell you one thing that hominids were not knowing how to make houses or grow crops. Now, there are some sources of our study about these early man. The three sources were discovery of stone tools, remains of shelters, cave paintings. Now I will tell you how the early man used to make their tools. The discovery of stone tools is known as Stone Age because during this period, weapons and tools were made of wood, stone, bones. They were not having any knowledge about metal. They used these tools for hunting animals, fishing, digging, and swimming. Children, you can see here the pictures on the slide. You can see the tools here. And I have told you from what material they used to make. Now we are going to discuss about remains of shelters and cave paintings of early man period. Early man did not know how to make houses, shelters. They made use of natural environment such as trees, caves. Caves gave them a lot of protection from heat, cold, rain, and wild animals. They were known as hunters or food gatherer because they used to move in groups in search of food. They did not know how to grow or make their food, but ate what they found growing naturally. Second point, cave paintings. Cave paintings are those which are done on the walls of the caves or rock walls. These paintings were made by early man. These paintings are mainly about animals and hunting scene. They teach us a lot about the life of early man. Clothes of early man. They were very different from those which we wear now. They did not wear clothes. They did not know how to make clothes. They used leaves and animal skins to cover their bodies. The leaves and skins of animals protected them from rain, cold, and heat. Children, you can see on this slide the pictures. From this you can guess what they used to wear and what we are wearing now. What is the difference? Now comes the topic communication. The early man did not know any language. He used gestures or hand movements to communicate with one another. After some time, they began imitating the sounds made by animals to call one another. It took thousands of years for them to invent fire, wheel, agriculture, and housing. Early man learned to build huts hundreds of years ago after they discovered fire. They were afraid of thunder, clouds, lightning in the sky, and rain. So, children, here we end with this chapter. I think you will follow this. And when you watch this video, please open your book and see. Then it will be easy to understand. Thank you.